I say we can talk. We know they tired to talk because now waiting them pay us to do, and then waiting we don't decide to use our mouths to do.
Now our middle name, they talk
All right, so we don't come on top of our third story now. This one happened for China. I don't understand these days. China, Asian countries, they trend for some kind of bad news to me.
Some don't even be bad news, some are funny news.
Yes.
I don't go lie you. Very weird, funny news.
All right, so what happened? This one, a 10-year-old boy, when they talk say for China, they don't cage him. They cage him and they come put him inside cold lake. Cold lake, now like river, small river where ice or waiting day inside, they come put him inside. What in this boy do? According to what we hear, then talk say the boy don't enter inside this butler. Butler means like helper or house help, whichever you want call him for there. So the man house help or helper for somebody there. The 10-year-old boy break into the place, go steal $322.50 yuan, 20 yuan. 20 yuan, now still, if you know how the Chinese money
Japanese
money. Yes, may you calculate. And then to say go there, go steal. Now neighbors see him when he go inside the house and they raise alarm. All the villagers come attack the boy. Now they gather, cage the 10-year-old boy, put him inside that cage, they come throw him inside lake where they cool. Pull his shirts. Able village people as a 10-year-old boy. I understand, say when I want make the village deal, okay, make thieves no deal there. But I beg, jungle justice for small picking of 10 years old. When I feel say they okay. Because this one, for a whole village to gather, decide say they want to put this 10-year-old boy inside lake, cold, put him inside. This one a village jungle justice.
No, village justice, no be jungle justice.
The story just make person the week. 10-year-old, 10. Say because they break. Okay, yes, they don't mature. We know say children nowadays don't they grow, their brain don't they function very fast.
Yes, pass and then
yeah, pass and then be. And we know say yes, if you don't start they still at the age of 10, it go fit turn to complete assassin or because they hire them. Because nowadays you know this we know the people they shoot up and down. They train them from small.
Yeah.
But 10-year-old, if you feel curb correct them, now better pass. Because as that jungle justice, foul, it no make sense. Highest, a whole so out of the whole community, not even one person for that community get sense. Say, no, we will not do anything to this, we will catch him, we will take out to the right place.
With that one, it depends on how many people did the village.
They no go past 10. They go past 10.
Yes.
They're supposed to pass 10. At least one person for the whole of that village go just talk, say, no, now stop. May we do this thing like this, may we do this, and may we carry the boy go police station, or they don't get police station for that place. May we carry the boy go police station, and yes, they get juvenile prison. If at all the case go really, they carry the boy go prison. Then they go settle a normal justice because the boy na small pikin. If you give that boy opportunity, tomorrow he go realize say he no suppose do that thing where you do. And if you look at if he get reason, tangible reason, because I know like say they get small poverty one kind for that side. So if they get tangible reason why he break out of that place, still waiting is still. Personally.
Well, for me, first of all, I don't go say why they do them or why they no do them, because we need to know the kind of setting where that village they inside. If na village where we say that the only way of life they already know, then first of all we go say they need sensitization onto the issue. Say okay, when this kind of issue happen, no be like this they do. We know as the village they be. If na village where we say they never begin they wear bra or anything, so where we say they still they live for the archaic days.
Yes.
You know if you say okay, police, juvenile home, hello, they're not going to even get idea of what all those ones be. So we need to first of all we need to know the kind of village where it be okay, how the society itself take be. Yes, it is inside China, but we know say every country, every place, they get their own archaic sites.
America said
civilization never enter inside.
Yes,
so first of all, we go check and say, okay, now that kind of place. Then if now that kind of place, then they need sensitization to say, okay, things don't actually change from as they be those days to as it be now. That kind of pikin, you're not supposed to put that for. What if he carry pneumonia for inside that ice water, or he carry another disease, then go begin find as they want to treat the pikin. Yes, the pikin do bad thing. Yes, we need to correct them, but different ways to correct children nowadays. They not be by all this hard and this kind of thing. The reason they do give hard criminals, they want me then confess, put them for inside ice blocks so that they go confess, and still they not go confess. Not talk of small picking. They just they train the picking to even worse enter the same bad habits where then they try curb.
Well, not true, Sha, but me, I go first start from this side. Yesterday, we talk about 10-year-old pikin, we don't they get degree. This 10-year-old pikin, this one na TV. This one na TV. Anyway, now the lighter note. They get degree. Then a free degree. That one now on the lighter note. Anyway, but really, jungle justice no they pay. Whether na for Nigeria, whether na for America, whether na for Canada, Japan, anywhere. Jungle justice no they pay. Even for Nigeria, we don't hear of different places where person thief, people thief, they put pepper for their body, some they kill them. They pay at all. They go get authorities for that place where they're supposed to report to if something like that happen. 10-year-old pikin don't too small, make you they hang them, they tie them inside case. And then well, for waiting better and talk, say it depend on as the place take be. For the fact, say people feel later come inside there, take pictures of the thing, or at least somebody go report the case. Means say somebody there know say this thing they wrong. So and like Amaka talk, they go past 10 for the village. Out of all the time, my mother goes all of them asleep, put it for the same place. All of them will get the same mentality. No way that kind of thing good for anybody. Whether you be 10 years old or you be 100 years old or you be 50 years old or jungle justice no better justice. The whole world we suppose don't they reach the stage where we say something they wrong. Instead of make everybody put it together, punish the person one kind, make we hear what's happen. Wait till the boy thief the money. Whether your family no get, your family get. We know say thief free no good though. It no good at all. But then if you punish the boy like that, the boy die. Waiting come with the end result. You don't
kill him.
But you know, say so many people they always take poverty as we no get. That's why my wife they suffer and I make my wife and children. Yes, we understand. Say poverty they the land. It they all over the world.
It everywhere.
But I tell you, inside that poverty, now somebody they actually make 100,000 naira a day.
Oh yes.
Inside that poverty, now somebody don't already draft how you want to feed in family for the whole year.
Yes.
You understand? So now as you decide. Say your life won't be. But for me, the jungle justice thing for a 10-year-old boy,
it's too much.
It go extreme. It go extreme. Seriously, they're not supposed to take them to that level. But another way you look at, maybe they don't notice all those kinds of thief for small children. They don't say that waiting. More could change the law so that the children will not say we mean serious. Maybe the chief head for that village will also say, you know what, more could use one person because now one person first they turn to a scapegoat. Before the rest go say, you know. So the boy just the unfortunate to be the scapegoat. Maybe I'm sure. Maybe same as so it take happen.
My mama say everybody they thief, but who then catch na him be thief.
And the person then catch go say na first.
It's not first now. So
this is so now. That's so now. House anybody and they get with the tapping.
Tapping. That's so. When you are caught, then you say
yes. I remember. I just remember tapping.
You don't tap tire.
You tap water.
Which kind of water? I tap biscuits and sugar. I go seal and tie am. So now the days of hunger, I shall bring my tapping.
But you know, say, even after tapping water, those days, if you don't fit tap water, because some people can't get sand, they can't change the bucket, they'll come they use cup. Or that soap can where they use that, they use and they build the water.
That one too much.
And I can argue well. All right, we'll move to our number before we change the story. We'll move to our number 4 story. This one now, story we actually I like because some people may they not think about the picture perfect of anything where you see. Before you see, say them put water inside sachets, they actually go through process. Before you see a person carry hair, where carry for hair, the person must lose the one we carry before, go waka, go salon, buy weave or attachments where they take fix. Process they for everything. What thing happen? This one a billionaire wife, when they call that boat allowancing. Lawson, sorry. She talked this on her quote. She talked, say, it not day enough to be a Barbie doll 247 just because say your husband now millionaire or he gets inheritance way big we make and who him be. What if she they try talk? She says so many people they write messages to her. They tell her say I like your life oh, it did picture perfect oh, it did this oh, it did that. But she say come on. No day enough. Right from 17 years old, now I don't dey hustle to make my own money. I don't dey hustle to make sure say me self get that thing where I actually like. Say I be billionaire wife no mean say I dey sit down. I dey actually dey wash clothes, I dey cook, and I dey take care of my husband for house. Correct. And at the end of the day, she still dey take care of herself. But my question is say, what's be that fairy tale dream? And waiting be that thing where you ever think say you want for yourself and you won't filter and you did walk towards it. Amaka, talk to me.
I is thinking about it.
Think and say.
I give fairy tale. Bernard, may I try and give you? You be man. You don't ever get fairy tale dream.
Oh, man.
Why in there? I
Now,
didn't see
you
you
ask
as
this
well.
question, you say you be man. What thing you be man can't they do with this one?
Bernard na man.
Now, wow.
Hey, now, man supposed to get fairy tale dream too now.
Okay, what's be that picture perfect way you actually think for your head? Tell
Even
me.
fairy tale self, I don't get that. I don't build castle for sky 10 times, destroy and come down again. As in, before I even, when I be 10,
Okay.
I don't dey dream say, man, when I marry. You know they can't marry where they dream. So I will go England or top horse. Go to ride
Your wedding
horse.
gown go long past the horse.
No, my wedding gown go flow for the horse
They
now.
can't fall down.
So
They
God,
can't fall down, we go fall down.
see dreaming. I can't dream. See my husband will talk.
I wish life did that
big.
easy.
My dear. See, I don't go to even touch anything. I don't go
You'll
wash
get
clothes.
helpers.
I will get helpers everywhere. When I clock 12.
Now you know say life
I
is
know
different.
say life is hard.
I like slap you.
Life do me. Boy, come on, start washing this thing. Do this one. Yeah. I enter body house. This tap where they talk. And they form I know sabi tap. No, but
You thump and tap.
No, I build a lot of castles. I be dream say I go get one white collar job. I go get all this. You know, say easy to really get job. So I don't dream as if I just finish school, I go just get job. I go just marry.
You don't even need to go for service. They
I
just
don't
call
think
you.
as in you go just, I just feel like say you go just do am like you finish school, you finish secondary school, enter university immediately.
No
be say,
jam.
no jam. Just enter university. For university, just get a job like that, marry. Now so I plan life. Oh boy, it's not that easy. You need to really hustle. And
process.
yes, and you know it will make sense if you want to be like another person because the other person hustle and your hustle no be the same thing at all.
Well, for me, I don't really build plenty. In fact, I don't plan my life when I still dey small. You know, when I dey younger, I go see older women, maybe they don't clock like 30, 35, I go, they say, wait, see all these ones, they wait, sef. They're not gonna marry, ha! When I can't grow, I can't sit in, because I don't plan my life. I plan, say, okay, at this age, I don't finish secondary school. At this age, I don't enter university. I don't know, say, they jam people. I don't plan, say, by this certain time, I don't finish. I go get work. I go finish with first class, waiting there, they nobody to read. I go get work. And at this certain age, I go don't marry. My sisters and my brothers. When I enter secondary school, like she talk, when the tapping and things, so when I begin thief socks, people they thief rich biro. I know say, oh ma, this kind of life, the survival of the fittest. Not be by plan. Now, exactly survival of the fittest because now who gets strong, then go eventually people push through. And I tell you, it's not too hard as we think. Yes, life no easy, but at the same time, they as hard as everything there for inside our mind. If you put your mind to them and you walk towards them, eventually your dream. Your castle, it go pay off.
It go pay off. Yoruba say, let me know my last. Who get mine, now go last pass. And that's true. Me say, everybody don't think I'm say I go enter school by the time you go
But
not
your face still young, so you don't get, you just give yourself
no, no, deceive myself. Oh, hey, now powder, now you dey see you. I know young like that. But good, oh, Papa Youngie. By the time I don't 60, you know them. I go still I'm a good boy.
All right, so Ben, I'll hold on there with your young face. All right, my people, they go for small break. When we come back, we go send you Cocoa of the Day and also letter from our fan. We they come back.